Welcome to Native Talks Course 1, Unit 12, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the phrase going to for future question forms. And also, we are going to learn some common collocations with the verb make and the verb do. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to ask questions with the phrase going to about future plans. And they will also be able to use collocations with the verb make and the verb do correctly. So using the phrase going to in a form of a question. So the questions are formed by changing the order of the subject and the verb to be. Originally, we would take the subject and the verb to be, followed by the phrase going to and some infinitive. But in the form of a question, we take the verb to be plus the subject and the phrase going to. For example, the verb to be are you as a subject going to go to the party. Are you going to go to the party? Are you going to go to school? Am I going to United States? Is he going to work? Here are some more examples. Am I going to allow this to happen? You have the verb to be, your subject, your phrase going to, and then the rest of the sentence in the form of a question. Are you going to run tomorrow? Is he going to leave tomorrow? Is she going to get married? Is it going to rain today? Are we going to make a barbecue today? Are they going to stay here? Now, we will move on to what is a collocation. Collocations refer to how the words go together or form fixed relationships. For example, making a bed. To make a bed. What does this mean, to make a bed? To neatly arrange the sheets, the blankets, and the pillows on a bed. My mom says I have to make my bed before I go to school, which means I have to rearrange the sheets, the blankets, and the pillows on my bed rather, in a nice orderly fashion before I go to school. Make a decision. To decide what to do. Making a decision implies we need to decide what to do. For example, have you made a decision yet? Have you decided what you are going to do yet? Another example, make a fortune. Implies to make a huge amount of money. For example, in a sentence, my uncle made a fortune in the software business. My uncle made a huge amount of money in the software business. Make a fuss. To create unnecessary excitement or concern about something. For example, I like people who achieve a lot without making a big fuss about what they are doing. I like people who achieve a lot without creating unnecessary excitement or concern about something about what they are doing. To make a living. To earn money for the things you need. It's not easy to make a living when the economy is so bad. It's not easy to earn money for the things you need when the economy is bad. Collocations with the verb do. Do the dishes, which is complete the task of the dishes. In a sentence, we can say, when are you going to do the dishes? When are you going to complete the task of the dishes. Do an exercise. To complete an exercise. We are going to do an exercise. We are going to complete an exercise. To do good. To complete the task well. If you study hard for your test, you will do good. If you study hard for your test, you will complete the task well. To do a favor. To complete a favor. Can you do me a favor? Can you complete a favor for me? To do business. Complete a business transaction. It was nice to do business with you. It was nice to complete a business transaction with you. This concludes Native Talks Course A1, Unit 12, Lesson 2. Have a great day.